So the Hebrew Israelites are nothing but Ku Klux Klan in reverse. The same way the Ku Klux Klan and the skinheads are about black people and Jews. I don't give 2 cents. What race descended from Israel? Talking?
In the spirit he speaketh mysteries.
You see, no man understand him. No man understand him. No man understand him. No, it ain't happening like that.
What goes on in the Church of Satan?
Well, one of the main misconceptions is that the Church of Satan is a physical building where black-robed people come to congregate. The Church of Satan is an idea more than a building. It is a large network of people internationally who are committed to the ideas of Satanism. We don't all get together and have bingo games and raffles like Christian churches do to keep everyone feeling like they're part of one big happy family.
Now with the advent of the internet and spaces such as YouTube, we can watch old sermons and see what we were not able to see previously. When caught red-handed, some double down and justify their actions to normalize and continue their behavior, which we will see in the following clip.
Some folk be cussing me out.
Mucha gente lo han maldecido.
One fella says that I'm with the Illuminati.